Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Coreon MCP token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Coreon MCP is a modular AI execution engine that transforms natural language into real verifiable actions. Built for Web3, it's turned prompts into step-by-step tool call chains that fetch market data, analyze tokens, and return human readable reports across CLI boards and APIs. Coreon MCP helps agents not just think but act with traceability, speed, and plugged and play integration. Coreon MCP aims to make autonomous AI tooling accessible to all in a fragmented ecosystem of tools, data, and interfaces. Coreon MCP offers one unified path from command to consensus. Coreon MCP token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 179 million COM token. COM token is listed on PancakeSwap V3 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. This project may be a scam. Thanks for watching.